Can you have multiple lines on Straight Talk Wireless? The answer is absolutely yes. Straight Talk Wireless offers multi-line options, often called family plans, that allow you to consolidate multiple phone lines under a single account. Straight Talk is owned by Verizon and operates on Verizon's reliable 5G and 4G LTE networks, giving you extensive coverage across the United States. These multi-line plans include unlimited talk, text, and data. Since Straight Talk is a prepaid carrier, there are no contracts required, and you can even bring your own phone. Multi-line plans can lead to significant savings compared to individual plans. The more lines you add, the more you save per line. So yes, Straight Talk definitely offers multi-line options that can save you money while providing reliable Verizon network coverage for your entire family. Straight Talk's multi-line discounts work on a simple principle. The more lines you add to your account, the more you save per month. Here's how the savings structure works with their Silver Unlimited plan. Notice how a family of 4 can get unlimited service for just $100 per month, saving $80 compared to individual plans. This represents excellent value for families. Straight Talk offers 3 unlimited plan tiers, each with different features and benefits. Let's compare what each plan includes. The Silver Unlimited plan provides the basic unlimited service with multi-line discounts and 5 gigabytes of mobile hotspot data. The Gold Unlimited plan adds premium network access, 30 gigabytes of hotspot data, a $100 annual device credit, Walmart Plus membership, and 100 gigabytes of cloud storage. The Platinum Unlimited plan includes everything from Gold, plus unlimited mobile hotspot and device protection for maximum coverage. The Gold plan's Walmart Plus membership provides additional value with free shipping and other retail benefits. There are important considerations to keep in mind with Straight Talk's multi-line plans. First, multi-line discounts cannot be combined with autopay discounts, so you'll need to choose one savings option. Second, since Straight Talk is a mobile virtual network operator, your data may be deprioritized during busy network periods. Finally, while some plans offer unlimited hotspot data, speeds may be capped to ensure network performance for all users. Straight Talk's multi-line plans offer genuine savings that increase with each additional line, making them an attractive option for families seeking unlimited wireless service at competitive prices.